In this video, I'm showing you how to use Canva's powerful AI tool, Magic Media. Create unique images, graphics, or videos using simple text prompts. Perfect when you need custom visuals quickly. Open your Canva project. From the left menu, click Apps and search for Magic Media. Click to open the app settings. You'll find 3 options: image, graphic, and video. Let's generate an image. Select Image, then type your prompt. Choose Styles. Set aspect ratio if needed. Click Generate. Canva creates visuals in seconds. Select your favorite to add to the design. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching.